Put a little bit of brisket. What? Good morning. Whatever. All right, wake up. Come on, read up. Let's get our day started. I have not been the most consistent with my oxy straight as of late. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. And this is the first era of my life where I have not been consistent. That's kind of crazy, but we move. We're doing it today. Non-stim, no caffeine today. Since we're going to the gym later, so I'm gonna take my pre-workout. Don't need the additional caffeine, you know what I'm saying? And that's why I need both stim and non-stim, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Because every day requires a different thing. You know what I'm saying? Here for sure right now. Glutamine, great for just regular day-to-day bloating, which I typically don't experience unless I'm eating something that I don't need to be eating, or, you know, or I'm not eating on time, all the things. But this helps to just, you know, just. I washed the scoop and I don't know what I did with it. Oh, it's right here. Baby sharp suit, do. Period. Acetyl something helps with fatty something transport or something. I don't know, child. I don't know. Next we have a little probe. I'm gonna toss that in there. We're gonna fish it off with a little Eron. Shout out to Eron. Okay. Shout out to Eron. I don't measure this out no more. I just, bam. That's it. Yeah. Vibes. Vibes. And now we mix. Oh, girl, you don't have a shaker thing in here. Where the shaker ball at? Where the balls at? Where the balls at? Okay. It's really goddamn early to be doing all this. Hooting and hollering. Excuse me. Haven't worn that in a couple of days. As long as it takes your teeth to shift when you're doing Invisalign or braces or something, or just wearing your retainers, you don't wear them for 2 days and your teeth go back to scratch. See, that math don't make sense to me, because it takes 2 years to move it 2 degrees, and in 2 nights it moves back 5. Oh man. Okay, y'all. Oh shoot. There we go. Time to chug. Cheers. Oh, I use cold water today. Another one bites the dust. So for breakfast today, I want to have eggs and plantain. So I'm gonna go ahead and boil some plantain and boil enough to last for a couple days. Got this bag from Costco, so we're gonna throw that on the stove, and then once that is pretty much done, I will get started on the eggs. And I can't wait. I love a good plantain and egg breakfast. As a Haitian woman. As a Asian woman, I love plantain. I'm gonna boil these 3. I'm gonna put the rest of these in the fridge to see if they will slow down their ripening. Hopefully it does, so that I can make these again next week as a meal prep before they go yellow.
May I help you? Do we got a problem? You looking at?
rosa y tan dulce como un mango. Una chica de Bahía con milagros, cantita bien caro. La ballena, brasilera canta a capela. Dime en portugués todo lo que quieras. Yo te llego en cualquier manera.
Yeah. So I am back in the casa and I'm going to make a really quick brunch. Lunch. That was weird. I picked up this beef brisket from Costco and I had it last night and it was so good. So I'm gonna have it again today. It was so good, like no complaints. I'm gonna have this, half a plantain and a salad. Oh, I can already taste it. Yeah, let's get to work. I already did the first part for this brisket situation, which is basically heating it up. And I put it in a separate container. So all we need to do now is heat it on the stove. I'm putting it on low because when I heated it yesterday, it was already warm. So it doesn't overcook. That's probably why they say that, right? Let's just see. If we keep it on low, let's see if we can finesse it. This is what it's looking like. And it's actually really freaking good. Out of all of the like steak situations that I've purchased, like already prepped from Costco, this is my favorite. It's the most tender, the most flavorful. I mean, I usually add my own things to it anyways, but like I had brisket for the first time last week. For the first time in my life. And I said, oh, okay, I'm a brisket girl. Never knew, and now I do. I am a brisket girly. I knew I was a steak girly for sure. I love a good steak, a good ribeye. Excuse me, don't threaten me with a good time. But a brisket, I was like, what is that? Don't know. You know? And I just, wow. I had it, and when I saw this, I said, maybe this will be similar. And it is. Of course, this one does not have all the delicious sauces and things that came with mine, but I made my own, so same difference, period. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yeah. I'm a brisket vibe. Actually, I lied. Instead of plantain, I'm gonna have toast. Because guess what restocked on her favorite sourdough bread? Yay! So I'm gonna have this instead. And I'm gonna make it now, and it's gonna be my cooking snack. And then I'll just have the brisket and the salad, and that'll be lunch. Cause this is too good. I finally got my hands on it after weeks and weeks and weeks, and I want to enjoy it right now. Babes, I can't even open this. What's happening right now? Yay! What the heck? Oh my god. I can't even open the bag. Bro. Oh, hold on. Let me flip the brisket. It's heating up, baby. Adding a little bit of this, some of this, and just mix it in. Make sure it's coated on both sides while there's still a little juice at the bottom. And literally so simple, so easy, but so good. I'm a fan. This grain and celery salad from Costco, delicious. It comes with an apple cider vinaigrette. So stinking good. Poured out the salad, give it a little mix. The toast is done. So good. Put it in for a little bit more. Lunch is almost ready. Oh, I love a quick meal. Ugh. Let's go ahead and plate the brisket. So good. Bruh. Sourdough with a little bit of butter. We're using this, just a little bit though. Mine needs to take a bite of everything. It needs to be studied. Oh my God. So good. I should make a tuna sandwich with this bread. Or a turkey one. I do have turkey. And that, ladies and gents, this is lunch. Bon appetit. Oh, hold on. Let me try something. A little bit of brisket. Okay, I got to work. Bye. Hey gems, I am doing a mad dash to get out of the house. I'm meeting up with a group of friends for dinner, and it's long overdue. We haven't hung out as a group in a minute, so